Hi guys, welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. Today is a slightly different video. So I'm taking out my sister for her birthday surprise. She has no idea where we're going. I can say it now, she's just drying her hair. So I'm taking her for the 3D immersive experience for dining, and it looks incredible. Sorry, my hand might be a bit shaky. I'm all dressed up, look at my dress. So I'm very excited. I've never done anything like this before. It sounds amazing. I'm gonna show you everything. She has no clue where we're going. So it's gonna be even better. So yeah, it's like birthday sort of dinner, birthday dinner. Very excited, as you can tell. Hey buddy, what's up? Oh, it's okay, we're not taking you with us. No, you're gonna have to stay at home, all right? Is that okay? You're gonna have to wait for us until we're back. Okay? You're gonna be a good boy? You're so cute. Sexy! Hello! I would just appreciate this beautiful dress. Excuse my messy room. But yeah, feeling very, very festive. And for those of you who are following my fitness journey, yeah, the dress is actually loose. Just leaving the house. I'm wearing these flat shoes. Ooh, look at the sexy heels, lady. So there we are. Nice. We're all nice and ready. Can't say it's bright, but we're just on our way now. Are you excited?
Yeah, very excited.
So we're just on the tube, waiting for our train. Very exciting. Are you excited?
Yeah, really excited.
So Inga has no clue. I actually haven't done this before either, so I have no clue either, but it's gonna be amazing. Thank you very much.
A message for our beloved Queen, the Queen of Hoshena.
You will not recognise the name of our land or know of any of our great achievements.
No elbows on the table, and don't blow your nose on the napkins. Quiet. Don't anger them. They have secret powers. Terrible powers. But they look just like us. They are not monsters after all.
Each day it seems to wither a little bit more. Each day the light in the eyes of the people grew a little bit dimmer. One by one they locked themselves inside their houses. The streets were deserted and
Skip the hell out of me.
Your hands. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, I feel the power of your imaginations. Such dreams, such hopes, such wonderful human magic. Open your minds, your arts, and then it is done. We connect, we share, we are one. Now toss it into the soup.
Put this in the soup? Oh my god. So what do you think?
Amazing.
You didn't expect this?
I'm super like
What's going
freaked
on?
out. Yeah, yeah. I'm very like on edge.
We just had a beautiful lentil soup and it's still sparkling in our plate.
Must defend his people from this terrible beast with his belly of fire.
This is insane. On camera it looks like it's actually burning. So this burger is absolutely amazing. It's tastes incredible. It's got like the black bun. It's got all the right things in there, and we've got even some chilies to top it up.
Pick up the syringe next to you and hold it up in your glass of press. Remember the taste of good
I think
times,
because mine
the
like
pleasure of good company, and the
wow.
joy of sharing.
Oh wow. That's amazing. That is so cool. Is this the best birthday ever?
Very cool. Very cool.
So this is like salmon. I think we're gonna get a card in a minute, so I'm just gonna dig in and try. So the flavors are absolutely crazy. I don't think you've tried anything like this before. The sesame hits you like later. Sesame seeds, that's what they say in English.
Caramel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? It hits you later.
And it's ice cream.
So you guys, this is like chocolate salted caramel brownie with coconut. It's got like sesame paste in there or something, I'm not really sure. And chocolate sort of ice cream with cardamom. Guys, we're just finishing our experience. It's been so amazing. We've had so many cocktails, we cannot even finish them actually. Yes, yeah, you can, thank you. The food was incredible actually, so many things. We had 5 courses and I've loved the experiences. We had fire, we had, what did we have, fog. So yeah, it's been amazing, so cheers. So we just finished at the Banquet of Hoshena pop-up restaurant. Actually, yeah, it's all here. Inga's just going to the loo. It was amazing. We're gonna do a small review in a minute. We absolutely loved it. It was so good. It was just something like different, like you've never done before. And I'm not gonna lie, there was like a lot of cocktails, so I like a lot of cocktails. So
Should be filming my belly. Should be filming my belly.
yeah, we ate so much. Oh my god.
So many cocktails.
You look here.
I'm looking here.
Right, yeah. We had a lot of cocktails.
So many cocktails.
Yeah.
5 cocktails, 4 cocktails and a wine. Big portions.
Really big portions, like too much food. Like I wasn't able to finish my dessert actually, so
yeah, the experience was amazing.
Yeah. Did you like it?
Yeah, I definitely liked it. Yeah, would have liked it to be there for longer, I think.
Yeah, almost like we don't want to leave, we want to stay here for longer. Yeah, but the food was amazing. I think I love the arancini bowls, mushroom arancini bowls. Oh my god, they were amazing.
Yeah.
Like and the burger, like that was. I don't eat burgers.
A chicken burger. You don't usually eat chicken burger.
I don't actually eat burgers at all, but that was so good.
Yeah.
But guys, I really hope you enjoyed our like little review of this amazing place tonight.
Yeah.
Leave your comments down below. Tell us which dish would you want to try if you were here with us tonight. And of course, wish my sister a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
Bye. See you soon.